let's see. What does Spirit have in store for us today? It feels like a much slower day, just a day to unwind and relax, a day to take it easy and to just be. And sometimes, there's nothing wrong with that at all. We do so much. And every now and then we need a day where we can just, veg out. Just be. Housework, that can happen later. Who cares? Chores, errands, if it's not something you need immediately, do it later. Just do it later. Today, enjoy just a relaxing day. Cuddle up on the sofa and watch a movie. Sit outside in the sun, or maybe sit on the porch and watch it rain. Whatever the weather is like near you. But just take time today to just be. To just enjoy the moment, unwind and completely let go and relax and not worry about doing anything. Not today. Not today. Allow yourself the rest that you need. Because your mind, body, and soul all need a break. They do. They need a break. And today, give it that break. Give yourself that break. Enjoy your day today. Remember, you have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Get outside, touch the earth, cleanse your space, do your meditations, and remember that this Waya, the wolf, the raven, and spirit, we are all sending you unconditional love.